Hey guys, RTT back here from that video, guys. Today I actually picked up something really cool. You know the thing about this channel, you know how much I absolutely adore the Surface Duo 1 and 2. So I thought, let's go ahead and pick one up on the used market and unbox it, set it up, and see what's going on with it. Because do own my own Surface Duo 1 and Surface Duo 2, but I have installed Windows 11 on my Surface Duo 1. So I kind of wanted an extra one I could just have, you know, without having Windows 11 installed and just be kind of base setup type of aspects. So let's just see, in this box right here, we do have ourselves the Surface Duo 1 original box. It looks like we also have the holder thing where the phone actually holds is actually on the outside of the box, interestingly enough. But we have a little quick start guide here. Now this is used, keep this in mind, this is not brand new. I bought this off of eBay, so this is from a, you know, already used seller. They did claim that they didn't use this much, and this is like not really utilized much. I'll check that claim in a bit. But looking at it, already does have the rubber case on it. They also included a very interesting charger. So they did say it's going to come with the OG charger. It actually didn't. They actually included their own cable and also their own charging brick, which is I think it's a Belkin or Ankin, something like that. We're gonna see this in a second. If you guys do want to see me unbox like old phones and go through old phones, definitely tell me down below, because that's always fun for me, to be honest. So I might do a series where I just go through old phones from back in the day and kind of like go through them and check them out. But this is definitely a third-party charger. This is from Anker, which actually, Anker, they make speakers, Bluetooth speakers, and recently their Bluetooth speakers they sell on Amazon got recalled. So apparently they were like catching on fire and stuff. So if you have an Anker Bluetooth speaker, you might want to get rid of it because it apparently got recalled because it's dangerous. So yeah, that's fun. Also, no idea why my camera is so freaking dark. Usually whenever I look at any of these devices, whether it's a Surface Duo or any phone, it's very hard for iPhone cameras to focus on the actual phone. It always has issues left, right, and center. Now, this should, if it wasn't utilized much or updated much, it should have Android 11 out of the box. I believe Android 10 was what it was shipped with, but it was Android 11 after that. Now, I believe Android 12 was the last iteration for this cell phone. I think we did also get 12L. So 12L, which is the same concept. 12L is for large screens or tablets. I know right now it's impossible to see the screen. For some reason, it won't focus on it. But I believe, if I check, I think this is Android 12, which means that it did go through some of the updates. So the person who owned this doesn't mean they, you know, utilize it that much. Obviously, I can check the battery cycles and see that concept on it. But let's see the exact software version of Android. So let's go to the settings app here. Let's go. I love the Surface Duo 1. All right, let's go to About. And it is, in fact, Android 12. Okay, so that means they updated it a couple times. At least it's to the most latest and greatest update. So it is what it is. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Cosmetically, this phone looks amazing. No issues. So, W purchase, I guess. 2024, is it still viable? Maybe. Maybe not. I'll see you guys in the next one, though.